This simple treatment I want to show you right now will get rid of wrinkles, will get rid of fine lines, will make your skin look like that of a baby. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by. How are you all doing today? I hope you are doing fine. So in case you are new here, you are welcome. I share beauty tips, I share health tips. Beauty tips that will make your skin to glow, beauty tips that will make you look ageless, that will delay signs of aging, that will make sure you look far younger than your age. You go out there with no makeup and you look so beautiful. Your skin will look so spotless naturally. So consider subscribing if you love beauty tips. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So I'm going to show you how to get this paste. How to make this paste that will get you a younger skin, that will get rid of those fine lines around here, that will get rid of wrinkles around your eyes, your forehead, your neck, to make you look more youthful, to make your skin to glow naturally. This requires consistency to get perfect results. So I will be listing the ingredients one after the other that will make sure you're aging less, that will make sure it gets your skin tighter, removing those sagginess. If you have been following me from day one, you will notice that my skin is getting better and better. And that is because I look after my skin using these natural ingredients, like these things you can find mostly in your kitchen, to get perfect results. So you have to continue watching because I'll be listing them one after the other to get perfect. So the first ingredient I made use of is coffee. You have to get coffee. Coffee contains antioxidants that will help to firm your skin, delay signs of aging. It helps to fight free radical damage that makes you age faster. So you have to get coffee. If your coffee is not in a ground form, you have to grind it, make it turn almost like a powdered form, and you're all good. So this is very good at firming the skin, tightens the skin. Make sure you make use of coffee. I don't joke with it, okay? So I also have a beauty line in case you want already made mask or scrub. So you can also add it into your scrub, exfoliate your skin. It makes sure your skin gets tighter, firmer. Anti-aging treatment is not a magic. The lotions, soap, any treatment at all that says it will get you younger, it requires consistency. The first thing you will notice is a smoother skin, a glowing skin, a well moisturized skin. After that, with consistency, your skin will be getting better and better, younger always. So the next thing I made use of is cornstarch. So cornstarch or corn flour, they are all the same. It helps to firm the skin, it tightens the pores. If you have large open pores, it gets rid of excessive oil on your skin, keeping your skin more youthful, making sure it gets rid of sagginess, and making sure you're looking like your skin is looking like that of a baby. So you have to also get sugar. I don't joke with sugar at all, especially when I want to make a scrub or a mask. Add it into your treatment, you will notice a change in your skin. Sugar exfoliates your skin to remove dead skin cells. When your skin gets rid of dead skin cells, it will reveal a brighter skin, a natural brighter skin that glows. It glows the skin. It moisturizes the skin, especially if you have dry skin. Thanks to the alpha hydroxy acid it contains, that helps to make sure your skin retains this moisture without drying out your skin. So all the ingredients are perfect and they will get you a glowing, well moisturized skin, like a younger beautiful skin that glows. So the next one here is milk. Milk contains lactic acid, a very mild one also, that brightens your skin, exfoliates your skin to make sure your skin is very smooth, soft. Your skin will look so like that of a baby, getting rid of dark spots, removing blemishes, makes your skin uniform, and you will just look so beautiful without makeup. So get all these ingredients: coffee, sugar, cornstarch, and milk. 4 ingredients. Then it's time to show you the measurements of all this. Look at mine. As you can see, all the ingredients are mixed properly. So it's time to apply it on my face. But before then, you have to know the quantities so that when you want to make yours, you know how to make it. I added coffee, half tablespoon of my coffee. Then cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Then the sugar, I added 1 full tablespoon of sugar. Then I went ahead to add 1 tablespoon of lactic acid, like milk. So milk 1 tablespoon, add it in here. Then you have to use rose water or a distilled water, ordinary water. Distilled water is water that is boiled, allowed to cool, boiled to vapor and allowed to cool. Then you add it. That water is very clean, very nice. So just add little by little so that this treatment will not be watery. So it's time to show you how to apply it on my skin. You know how to do it if you want to apply it for best results. Remove all makeups and then apply this treatment anywhere you want to treat. You want to treat your face, remember your neck, please. You want to treat all over your body, please just go on and apply it all over your body. So right now, I'll just go right now to apply. So after applying this treatment, anywhere you want to treat, anywhere you want to get younger, you can as well apply it on your hand to get rid of dry flaky ends, to get your hands looking smooth and beautiful. So you have to leave it on your face or anywhere 15-20 minutes. Very nice. So this is the time to leave it on. After that, you wash it out. Use a lukewarm water to wash it out and you're all good. So when you wash it out, you notice that your skin will get smoother, so clear, so neat. With consistency, you see your skin reviving, looking more younger each day. So I'll leave it on for some time, then wash it off. I'll be right back. So when you wash it off, it's time to apply a light moisturizer. So if you have an oily skin, just go for a very light moisturizer like vitamin E, sunflower oil, rosehip oil. But if you have a very dry skin or you want to lock in moisture, like make your skin well hydrated, just go for Vaseline. So when getting Vaseline, make sure you get original one. So you don't have to apply so much, just little goes a long way. Just apply it like this all over. Just apply it. You don't need to spread so much, just little. Little will spread all over your face. Just apply it. Vaseline will help to lock in moisture in your skin, preventing dryness, preventing premature aging. It helps greatly. This Vaseline you are seeing is very, very important at keeping your skin very smooth, younger and beautiful. So try to use it, or you can make use of any moisturizer of your choice. So you have to make use of this treatment 2 or 3 times weekly for best results. So this treatment will get you a younger skin. It will make your skin glow beautifully. You will love the results. Your skin will get smoother and beautiful. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I will see you in my next video.